Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add motions to photos using this feature on CapCut mobile. So first, you just need to add photos that you want. You can add more than one like this. And to add the motion, you can just go to effects, click on the photo effects, and then swipe until you find the motion category. Click on that, and here you can see there are lots of options that you can choose for the motion. So for example, here I'm going to use the camera shake motion to apply to my photos, add it to CapCut, and it will go like this. And for the next photo, I'm going to use a different motion. Let's try to use the 3D Zoom Pro, and this will be the result. And for the third photo, let's try a different one. Okay, this is the pop-up album motion. You can see it become like that. You can also zoom in the photo if you want. And for the last photo, I'm going to zoom it in first. Let's go to effects again, and in here I'm going to try a different motion effect. Let's try the photo shake or slinky. Okay, this one. So that's how you can add motions to your photos in CapCut by using the photo effects or photo style. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.